Alright, so today I believe is actually day 13 or day 14, one of the two. I highly doubt it's even day 15. It's one of the two, day 13 or day 14. Last night actually I was, for whatever reason, something told me to go ahead and check on them. So I did last night, and I was actually surprised at something over here. So I thought I'd maybe go ahead and do a quick video on this as well, so this way you guys can see as well. So let's go ahead and move this out of the way. Let's go ahead and open the box up. And would you look at that? We actually have root coming out of there. And this one was, what variety was this? This one was actually Tina. So the Tina fig actually already has started to show root. The other ones still haven't really done much, and I don't want to necessarily disturb them to check for roots. I'm just going to let it be for now. Obviously, there's a very good amount of condensation still here. Let me check the soil. Yeah, it's fairly good wet, I should say. So I want to let it be. Let's let it ride out and see how things actually play out. But I'm actually pleasantly surprised how fast it rooted. And obviously, this is just a baby root at the moment. It needs to grow much more. But the fact that, in 13, 14 days, it has put this amount of, success is speaking volumes. And I think this was a very viable method. We'll continue to keep monitoring and try to do a weekly update on this to see how things are going. But that's it for now. Chicago's own 6A out.